It's silent now, we don't say a word, we're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said, yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so good.
Hi my lovely friends, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina, and today I'll show you how to make that Insta waves that we all see on Instagram now. So I'll show you how to make it by yourself using a curling wand. This is made for professional use. Mine is from BEACHY WAVES and I use it for 2 years I think or more, and I use it a lot in my work, but it's a very good tool. I'll suggest you to use with this kind of wing. This will hold your hair, and by the way, with this technique we are hitting first the roots and then we are going downwards through the ends. This is a good technique because you're not hitting too much your hair. So if you wanna know how I get these waves, these Insta waves, right here, please keep on watching.
Of course, don't forget to use some heat protection. Mine is creamy today. I distribute it through my hair and then I brush my hair. Now I'm selecting first section. Don't try to take two small sections because this will take too much time. So as you can see, you are grabbing the hair through the wand and then you twist it, creating this curl. Make sure to hold the hair underneath. As you are doing this, make sure to loosen the wick of the heat too, so you can get lower. As you are getting lower, make sure to leave the curl like I'm showing and twist it again, and then again leaving the upper section. I hope that this makes sense, but you can see in the video what I'm doing. First, these waves will be so hard for you, but when you finish, you'll be a professional, I promise. Just be patient, okay?
I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. It's silent now, we don't say a word, we're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said, yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. Change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far, but I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth.
Now with our last sections, I'll divide it into two, creating a little central parting, but as we know already, central parting is not in anymore, so mine is not very straight, it's more like natural. Here we'll have again 4 curls.
I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
When you're done with your curls, you want to leave, because they are hot, you want to leave them for 5 or 10 minutes. I leave for 10. And then you want to braid to hold these curls a little bit in place, but just a little bit. Now you want to get your brush and brush your curls like I'm showing. I'll spray some cosmetic oil to tame a little bit the frizz, and you're basically done.
I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please support me by giving this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you make sure to subscribe down below, a red button down the video. And guys, don't forget please to leave me your request of what kind of videos you'd like me more to make. And I love you so much and hope to see you soon. Mwah! Bye!
I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far.